crucial decision when setting up your online store is which payment processor to use. A payment processor is important because it moves money from your customer to your bank account. It verifies transactions, keeps a record, manages disputes, and settles funds. A trustworthy and reliable processor is essential for ensuring that you receive your online cash flow accurately and timeously. This decision should be treated like you would be choosing a bank account. This is because once a customer's transaction has been processed, it doesn't automatically appear in your company bank account. It goes into a wallet holding account of the payment processor you choose, which is then paid out less any settlement and transaction fees to a stipulated bank account or specific bank account you choose. Your customer also needs to have peace of mind that when they make purchases on your website, it is safe and secure. For South African businesses, there are a number of payment processors to choose from, which gives us optionality, but also takes more research to choose the best fit for your business and online store. In this video, I break down 5 major payment processors that are accessible in South Africa, namely Payfast, Paystack, Yoco, Ikhokha, and PayPal. This list isn't exhaustive and there are a number of other payment processors out there, but use this framework, do your homework, and choose a reliable processor that meets your business needs. Many businesses choose a default payment option in a rush to launch and then only read the fine print after. It's important to consider a payment processor that offers affordable transaction fees, up-to-date compliance procedures, scalability options for your business, comprehensive and evolving features and integrations, efficient service if you have a query, payout, or refund to process, compatibility with your specific website builder, peace of mind for customers through safe and reliable payment encryptors, protection for yourself and your customers with adequate fraud detection systems. Another thing to consider is the fact that Stripe and Shopify payments aren't available to businesses within South Africa. This means that utilizing e-commerce functionality on Squarespace is limited, as their main processor is Stripe. Similarly, within the Shopify platform, you will also have Shopify transaction fees as high as 2%, as well as third-party payment processor fees. I've put together a comprehensive ebook that compares these 5 payment processors for your online store. You can download it using the link in the description, and it's a great reference to keep on hand as you explore your options. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, please could you take a few seconds to like and subscribe to my channel? I'd really appreciate it. So let's jump in. First off is Payfast. Payfast is one of the original payment processors in South Africa, founded in 2007 with over 80,000 businesses using the gateway today. In 2021, Payfast was acquired by Network International, a major digital commerce company in the Middle East and Africa. So here's why Payfast stands out. Many ways to pay. It offers 18 different payment methods for customers to choose from, including cards, instant EFT, and mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. Flexibility and customization. You can choose between the plug and play Payfast aggregates plan or the gateway plan for larger or more complex builds that use your own merchant account. Subscriptions and tokenizations. Payfast offers subscription optionality using their tokenization service, which allows you to schedule credit or check card payments at regular intervals. This subscription functionality can be set up via specific WooCommerce plugins and doesn't require a developer. This is helpful if you are selling high-ticket items and you would like to offer payment options, or if you're offering access to memberships or videos on a month-to-month basis. It offers a variety of integrations. Payfast offers a host of different integrations, from website builders like Shopify and WooCommerce to accounting integrations like Xero, although Wix has no Payfast integration. Multi-currency pricing. Payfast offers multi-currency pricing if you have a global store. You can give international customers the option to shop in the currency of their choice. Volume pricing. There are custom rates if you process over 50,000 Rand in monthly transactions on average over 3 months. Comprehensive dashboard functionality. Within the Payfast dashboard, you can easily complete refunds, set up a payment schedule, reconcile transactions, view fees, set up recurring billing, and manage payment methods. Payfast transaction fees start at 3.2% plus 2 Rand excluding VAT. They charge instant EFT fees of 2%. Payout fees work out to 10 Rand per payout. This includes VAT. The immediate payout fee is 0.8% excluding VAT, and they charge a refund fee of 2 Rand excluding VAT. In order to illustrate how fees can accumulate quite quickly, I'd like to work through a quick example. So if a shopper spends 1,000 Rand by card on our online store, 3.2% of 1,000 Rand is 32 Rand, plus the 2 Rand fixed fee is 34 Rand ex VAT. Including the 15% of VAT is 39 Rand 10 cents in total. And this doesn't seem so bad, but if we consider if we do 50 transactions of 1,000 Rand in a month, this takes the fee from 39 Rand to 1,950 Rand. As a percentage of sales, this represents close to 4%. Next up is Paystack. Paystack is a Nigerian fintech company that was acquired by Stripe in 2020. It provides online and offline payment solutions across Africa and is trusted by over 200,000 businesses. Here's why it stands out. It offers a variety of payment methods from card to Apple Pay. However, it doesn't offer as many options as Payfast. Subscriptions and tokenization. Similar to Payfast, Paystack offers recurring billing optionality for your online store. Developer customization. So there are quite an extensive amount of developer docs for customizations and unique website builds. There are daily payment settlement costs at no cost. Unlike Payfast, where you have to request a payout or set up a payout schedule, Paystack automatically settles payments into your bank account within 2 days after payment has been received. US dollar payments. It gives your customers the ability to make payments in US dollars and to also get settled in US dollars. Variety of integrations. There are extensive integrations across WooCommerce, Shopify, Xero, Wix, Thinkific, Kajabi, and Teachable. It's easy to navigate the dashboard. Paystack's dashboard gives you detailed reports on successful, failed, and abandoned transactions, the ability to analyze customer purchase patterns with customer insights. You can set up payment links, issue refunds, handle disputes, set up transaction splits, and add subscriptions all within this dashboard. Seamless checkout. There are no redirects at checkout, so your customers stay within your website. The current fees. Local card fees are charged at 2.9% plus 1 Rand per transaction ex VAT. International card fees are 3.1% plus 1 Rand. There are no payout fees and there are no refund fees. Going back to our shopper example who spends 1,000 Rand, we then times this by 2.9%, which gives us 29 Rand ex VAT. Adding the 1 Rand fixed fee is 30 Rand. Including the VAT of 15% gives us 34 Rand 50 is the total fee we would pay if a shopper spends 1,000 Rand with us using the Paystack gateway. If we were to take this on the assumption that we had 50 transactions at 1,000 Rand per transaction, this would then be 50 times 34 Rand 50 gives us 1,725 Rand. If we compare this against the Payfast fees, we can see that this is considerably cheaper on a high volume basis. Next up is Yoco. Yoco was established in 2015 and provides an all-in-one offering for small businesses in order to accept payments and manage their operations. It offers simple card machines, an online payment gateway, and point of sale system. So here's why it stands out. Once again, a variety of integrations. Yoco integrates with point of sale software systems like Lightspeed, as well as accounting software programs like Xero. It also facilitates online payments through website builders, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. Volume pricing and services. Transactions over 200,000 Rand get custom rates and dedicated support. Daily payment settlements. Standard payouts are free and will reflect in your account within 1 to 2 business days. Instant payouts of up to 10,000 Rand are charged at a cost of 1%. It has a simple dashboard with links to card machines and it links to your online sales, so it gives you a really great overview of where you're selling and specific payments that are being made into your bank account. Point of sale optionality. If you want to establish a physical store, then there is a point of sale system that they offer that can allow you to accept payments as well as track inventory. There are also basic card machines if you wanted to do market days or pop-up stores. Yoco fees vary between local and international cards. If they are local, they charge 2.9%. If the card is international, they charge 3.4%. Payout fees apply, and it is 2.50 Rand per payout. If you need an immediate payout, this is 1%, and the limit is of up to 10,000 Rand for an immediate payment. Instant EFT is 2%. Considering our shopper example, once again, if he spends 1,000 Rand at our store online, we take 2.9% of 1,000 to give us 29 Rand, plus the 2.50 Rand payout fee gives us 31.50 Rand. If we then include VAT and times by 1.15, we get a total transaction fee of 36.20 Rand. 50 transactions at an average value of 1,000 Rand, assumed to be done on different dates, we get a total value of 1,810 Rand in total for transaction fees. This sits in the middle between Payfast and Paystack. Paystack remains the cheapest at this point. Let's have a look at Ikhokha. Ikhokha is a fintech company that originated in 2012 and has recently been acquired by Nedbank. It offers a variety of payment solutions for small to medium-sized businesses, but most notable being the range of card machines it offers. It does also offer a pay gateway service. Here's why it stands out. It is super easy to set up and create an account. It gives you a very easy account setup process with an easy to navigate dashboard. Quality support center. They have a quality support system with a dedicated call center which is open 7 days a week, and you can also contact them on WhatsApp. They also give you access to a extensive frequently asked questions base and support. They offer volume pricing and services. Transactions over 100,000 Rand get custom rates and dedicated support. They offer daily payment settlement, 2-day settlement after payments. Custom integration offering. Although Ikhokha only integrates with Wix and WooCommerce, there is the ability to use their Pay API to set up custom payments if you have a website developer. Point of sale optionality. Similar to Yoco, if you want to establish a physical store, then there is a point of sale system that can allow you to accept payments and track inventory, as well as offer basic card machine. Current fees. Local card rates are 2.85% per transaction. International rates are 3.25% per transaction. They charge a settlement fee of 2.50 Rand, and instant EFTs are charged at 2%. Going back to our shopper example where we take the 1,000 Rand spent on our store, we times it by the transaction fee of 2.85% to get 28.50 Rand. We then add the settlement fee of 2.50 Rand to give us 31 Rand. Including VAT on top of this, we get a very specific figure of 35.65 Rand. If we assumed we had 50 transactions, each on a different day, at an average value of 1,000 Rand, we would then times that figure by 50 to give us a total transaction fee of 1,782 Rand and 50 cents. If we have a look on the right-hand side and we break down all that we've worked through in terms of our examples, we can see that Paystack still ends up being the cheapest option. And then Ikhokha comes just marginally in at second, followed by Yoco and then Payfast. This assumes that we have different transactions on different dates, but if we had some transactions on the same date, then that settlement fee that Ikhokha charges would still be 2.50 Rand, whereas on Paystack, they charge you a fixed fee per transaction, so that might end up being slightly more expensive. You will just have to do the research and determine which payment processor works the best for you. Last but not least is PayPal. So PayPal isn't fully supported in South Africa as they don't allow SA merchants to charge for products or services in rands. They only support major currencies like the US dollar, euro, and pounds, and repatriating cash flow back to South Africa isn't as simple. I think it's an important processor to include as it is a powerful solution for SA businesses who have an international target market. So here's why it stands out. Global buyer trust. Many overseas shoppers already have PayPal, which removes friction at checkout. There are seller and buyer protection policies that apply on certain transactions. Multi-currency. PayPal works in many countries and supports multiple currencies. It's easy to integrate as a companion gateway. For South African businesses, it works best as a companion gateway for international buyers. It is easy to add to website builders like WooCommerce, Wix, Shopify, and Squarespace. Fees for PayPal are high and can stack up when having to bring funds back to South Africa. Domestic transactions are charged at around 3.4% plus a fixed fee. International transactions are charged at 4.4% plus a fixed fee. And the fixed fee is dependent on the currency, but it can range from 5 to 6 Rand per transaction. They also charge a currency conversion fee. FNB has a partnership with PayPal, which allows you to withdraw funds from PayPal to your FNB or any other linked South African bank account. You don't have to be a FNB account holder. FNB simply facilitates the transfer. However, you will need a valid tax number or customs client number or importer's code for the balance of payment form to be completed for every repatriation back to South Africa. FNB charges 1.5% per withdrawal. And it's easy to notice that PayPal's fees are considerably higher than local processors. So here you have a comprehensive overview of 5 powerful payment processors available in South Africa. If you're a South African business owner looking to create your online store with a seamless checkout process, I hope this video has been helpful. Remember that fees and offerings evolve with time, so you may want to keep an eye out on payment gateway updates in the future, as things could change. The right gateway depends on your business model and your growth goals. Map out the real cost, test the integrations on your platform, and think about scale. Every extra point of friction at checkout increases abandoned carts, and every extra % of fees eats into your margins. If you have a particular payment processor you are using that you would like to recommend, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It really helps me to grow this channel and continue creating content that supports business owners like you. And if you're looking for professional help with your website design and development, feel free to check out our services at Stitch, which I'll link to in the description. I'm Victoria, and thank you for joining me. See you in the next video.